In the wild, two of the most formidable creatures share the waters, the crocodile and the hippopotamus. The crocodile, with its powerful jaws and stealthy approach, is a master of ambush, capable of launching itself from the water to snatch prey in an instant. Its bite is one of the strongest in the animal kingdom, exerting over 3,000 pounds of pressure per square inch. On the other hand, the hippo, often underestimated, is surprisingly aggressive. Weighing up to 4,000 pounds, these massive mammals can run surprisingly fast on land, reaching speeds of 20 miles per hour. Their large mouths can open up to 150 degrees, showcasing teeth that can grow over a foot long. While crocodiles are solitary hunters, hippos are social animals, often seen lounging in groups. But don't be fooled by their seemingly calm demeanor. Hippos are known to be incredibly territorial, especially in water. In fact, they are responsible for more human deaths in Africa than any other large animal. So, in the battle of the beasts, it's not just about size or strength, it's about strategy, territory, and the raw power of nature.